Hey everyone, it is the Billion Brown, second to none, and the Lord Essex and I are outside today. We really haven't made it into the house. We've basically been outside since I picked him up from school. So, hi everyone. And I already put a portion of his lacrosse. It's a junior lacrosse combo. Includes 2 lacrosse goes, 2 lacrosse sticks, 1 lacrosse ball, and 4 ground pegs. And this is how it looks. And yeah, I'm trying to set this up. And yeah, let me just take the rest of the stuff. I had to cut the grass, so I had to do that first. And Lord, show them your Nerf gun. This is his new Roblox Nerf gun, and it's really big. Maybe before the end of the video, he'll show you all. So, hi everyone. Thank you all for checking out my Macari page and my eBay store. And I guess I should just say Macari store, my eBay store, and also Amazon. We truly and greatly appreciate you all, and thank you guys with our whole heart. We truly do. My whole heart, and he thanks you with his whole heart as well. So yeah, let me finish setting this up. And I cut the grass. I know it doesn't look the best, but the lawnmower is still out. I have to put that up. And I was completely dirty because I don't know why, but I haven't gotten this bag adjusted right to this lawnmower, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, guys, hi. So I'm gonna put this here, and hopefully you guys can just watch me put this together. Excuse me for 1 second. I'm really dirty. Lord, come help mommy. So he was playing with one of his new friends that moved in across the street, like right when we came home. So I did warm me up like 2 slices of pizza, and I made me a cookie, and I'm gonna eat a plum and play with him for a little bit more. He's tired. Let me see your Nerf gun and get mommy one so I can play with you real quick. Load me up a Nerf gun. So, and I still gotta put up his basketball hoop because I have not did that yet. So my plan is to, sorry for that noise, to most likely do that. Someone's grilling and it really smells good. And I actually just started it. It really smells good, guys. I hope everyone was able to get out and play after the close of your business, or if you work somewhere. I hope you were able to get out and play today. Well, the first one really didn't take that long to put together. It's just about, oops, see there I go, I already messed up. I'm getting too excited about getting done. Yeah, the first one really didn't take that long, but he wanted something out of the house, so. And guys, you have to excuse the bees and everything else. They're always around us. So, don't even excuse them. Just enjoy them. The bumblebees. Lord, I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished. So today is Friday. I need to cook my baby a good meal and give him a great bath and love on him. He's had a long week. You want to show them the dinosaur, guys? We did a little bit of sidewalk talk, not much. It's a dinosaur here, and I wrote my name. He wrote his name, and other than that, we've basically been like running around outside here. And he did help cut the grass, so that was nice. I don't know if that one was. So, please don't do that. Can you please put that down so I can put the pegs inside of it? Where's the green ball at? Oh, there it is.
You done filming?
Yeah.
It made me mad.
My phone is filming right now.
And filming.
Yes, I'm filming. So let me put this here. I think I'm missing a piece. And I sprayed myself with some mosquito spray and I got sidewalk chalk all over me. It's like so hard to stay clean and like put together when this is gonna be this way like for the rest of my life. I really don't have a problem with that. I don't even know why I'm talking about that. But anyway, this little watch out, honey. You got a Capri Sun? He's got a Capri Sun. So he went to go get him a Capri Sun. And I thought maybe we could stay outside and watch a movie tonight.
So you can't even do it.
But I don't know.
Yeah, I thought you want my show. I used to
On the projector?
You always mess me up.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So the Lord Essex.
I don't
You gonna help mommy?
No.
Okay.
I
You
know.
got a Capri Sun package right here that you just drunk. You got your ice water on the table and your pizza and your apples. Why don't you eat a little something?
I don't eat that.
So you can have a better attitude.
I don't have a better attitude with that.
Yeah, because it's a beautiful day that God gave us. And there's no reason whatever you're upset about, we can change that. Only thing we got to do is have a conversation.
You would remember me on one of my songs. You don't.
On my phone?
Yeah. I was about to
Where is your phone?
And you always mad me up. You in the club. And you start killing me every day.
Oh, no. Well, we have to fix that.
No.
You're not happy about this? I'm so happy about this. We get to play
I'm so
with
happy
this for a
about
little
you.
bit. Oh, my. So, let's see. You want to show them your Nerf gun? Your Roblox gun?
Heck no.
This is one of the lacrosse sticks.
Oh, you.
It's a mini lacrosse stick. So we should have some fun. Let's see how Mr. Great Sportsmanship here.
I hate it.
I know that this one here is, I could put this one in the ground.
I hate that bit. I hate that one.